Good evening, everyone. Welcome to our first ever Imus Institute B2K Raffle for a Cause preliminary draw. So tonight, there will be 20 winners who will win 500 pesos. So meron po tayong 20 masuswerteng mananalo ng 500 piso. So bago po natin simulan ang ating first preliminary draw, our VP, Ms. Hart, will explain our raffle mechanics.
Hi, good evening everyone. So, very important, all tickets are all validated and paid. All winners will be posted through our FB page account, 102nd II Grand Alumni Homecoming 2025. All winners will be posted together with their prizes and will be contacted through their registered number or through their registered solicitors. So let's start. May we call on our batchmate, Miss Kat de la Cuesta. We will draw our first winner of 500 pesos. So take it away, Miss Kat. Clean hands. Alright. Halo-halo.
Ang mananalo.
Sino kaya?
Ang pinakauna.
So,
Swerte.
okay. Our first winner is Archie Kagula of Alapan 2B. Solicitor's name is Carol Bogtong from Batch 2000. So, ito po yung first winner natin of 500 pesos. Thank you so much. Congratulations. And next, Miss Revi Vallejos for our second winner of 500 pesos. And ta-da-dan! Very good. Halong-halo po natin ang ating tambiolo
Oo naman.
para po lahat ay may tsansang manalo.
Yes.
Alright. Nako, sulat ko to. Alright. Our second winner is Tina, Miss Christina Haro, actually from Dasmariñas, Cavite, and I'm the solicitor. Ayan, Miss Tina. Yeah, I will send you the video. Ayan. Congratulations! Winner of 500 pesos. Yes, wala ba kayo mga kamay? Our third winner of 500 pesos. Then may we call on Miss Carmi Lorin. Yan. Clean hands. Very good. Yeah. Okay nga, ipapakita natin na malinis ang ating mga kamay. Malinis ang ating kamay. Alright, eto na. Pakihalo, halukayin for 500 pesos. Ang ating third winner. Okay. Miss Charmaine Agustin of Parañaque City. Our solicitor is our treasurer, Dan Patrick Legaspi. Congratulations, Miss Charmaine. Alright. Thank you so much. For our fourth winner, may we call on Miss Marian Vizcara. Fortaleza. Come on. Alright. Halo. Yeah, thank you guys for coming. For being with us. Alright. Okay. Clean hands. Halo. Very good. Okay, eto na. Our fourth winner. Tama ba? Alright. Lalaki ba to? Our winner is Jovan A. Dalida of San Pedro, Laguna. Solicitor's name is Marichar and Harold. Congratulations. Alright. Okay. That's our fourth winner. Now, for our fifth winner, may we call on Marichar. Haluin mong maigi. Ayan. Actually, in booklets. Alright, ready? Ayan.
Halong-halo yan.
Halong-halo po ito, mga kaibigan.
Kung Kayo po ang nasa loob, sigurado.
Hilo.
Hilo kayo.
Alright. Okay. Walang titingin. Haluin pa. Okay. Our winner is Edgar Sarmiento of San Nicolas, Bacoor. Our solicitor's name is Kiwi from batch 2000. Siya po ang ating nanalo. Alright, congratulations for our 6th winner, Miss Lani Ordinario. Okay. King hands. Halo, halo. Pagpasok ng kamay, haluin pa rin. Yes. Alright. This is our 6th winner. Ready? Hindi ka kaya.
Hindi abot.
Sorry. Kailangan ibaba. Okay. Our 6th winner. Ano ba 6? Is Mike Rafael de los Santos. Oh, Barangay Poblacion. Solicitor's name is Marichar Solera. Congratulations. Winner of 500 pesos. Alright. 7. Alright. May we call on Miss Carol for our 7th winner? Ayan. Thank you for coming. Ayan. Halo ulit.
Pwede na ma-clean yun.
Correct. Ayan. Kuhanin na daw ang prize. Now na. Nakakaloka. For our 7th winner, Myrene Falucho of Alapan 1A Imus. Solicitor's name, Caroline Bugtong of Batch 2000. Congratulations po. Ayan. For our 8th winner, may we call on Miss Jasper. Yes, Miss Jasper de la Cruz. Thank you for coming. Yes. Haluin pa natin. Sino ba susunod? Si Harold. Alright. Nagmamadali. Ay, nakakaloka. Okay. Thank you. For our 8th winner is Marlon Reyes of Alapan 2A Imus Cavite. Solicitor's name is Jas de la Cruz. Wow! Masaya itong nabulot mo na ito. Ang galing. Alright. Congratulations. Alright. 8 na yun. 9th winner from Mr. Harold. Come on down. Si Love ni Press. Thank you for coming naman, sir. Ayan.
Isang
Haluin lang natin.
dyan. Pa-heart muna.
Heart muna. Oy, hindi nyo nakita. Thank you naman. Okay, haluin muna, haluin. For our 9th winner. Sorry. Yeah. Tingin mo na sa taas. Okay. Oh my God! Ang nanalo for our 9th is Crisaldi. This is from batch 2000. Alright, congratulations. Si Crisaldi. Alright? Congratulations! Oh. And for our 10th winner, may we call on our Queen Rayan Ramos? Project? Yes? Diba? Okay, haluin lang natin.
Haluin lang natin, ha? O project ang ating, ano?
Project muna. The stage is yours.
Yes.
Okay, sino ang maswerte? Ito ang ating 10th winner
Ayan.
by our Queen Rayan.
Okay.
Sino ang maswerte? Our 10th winner is Mark Bernal. Yes, Cavite. And our solicitor is Lani Ordinario. Congratulations. ba ito? Thank you so much. Ang galing. Alright. Continue tayo. Our 11th winner. Ano na tayo?
Parang hindi na siya gumalaw.
Sunod. Alright. So, reminders ko lang, you have to follow our page, like and follow 102nd Imus Institute Alumni Homecoming FB page. So, lahat po ng winners nandoon, together with their respective solicitors to claim your prizes. Okay? For our 11th winner, Miss Kat, ikaw ulit. Sakto-sakto lang yung batchmates natin na nandito. Very good. Hindi tayo nahirapan. Hello! Okay. Alright. Our 11th winner is Hanilin Estareja of Imus Cavite. Solicitor's name is Marichar Solera. Congratulations, my dear. Congratulations. Alright. 12 winner na tayo. Miss Remy. Handa ka na ba? Nabunot mo na ba? Okay. Ikot-ikot lang natin. Ayan.
So this is for
Our 12.
12.
12 winner of 500 pesos. Okay. Alright, ready? Halo, halo.
Halo, halo.
Halo, halo. Pinakailalim. Alright. Our 12th winner is Catherine Sifra of General Trias Cavite. This is our batchmate. Congratulations. Alright. Okay, ready for our 13th winner. Miss Carmi? Miss Carmi, hingi na agad ang balato. Miss Carmi! Alright, bunutin mo na. Pang 13 to. Okay, swerte rin to. 13th winner. Okay. Ito na lang. Sama mo na yung mga sigilid-gilid. Ayan, pakihalo. Ayan. Very good. Oh, thank you. Ayan. Sige, halo pa. Ayan. Malalim. Alright. Our 13th winner is Rodney Roque of Alapan 1B. Ako po ang kanyang solicitor. Congratulations. Kanina pa kita tinatawag na pumunta. Hindi ka pumunta. Nanalo ka pala. Alright, for our 14th winner, Miss Marian, come on down. Yes. Haluin lang natin para sigurado. Yan.
Wala eh.
Alright. For our 14th winner. Yan. Thank you, Miss Marian. Alright. Okay. Oy! Our 14th winner. Ani Sayas. Of Bayan Luma. Solicitor's name, Marichar Solera. Congratulations, batchmate. Congratulations. Ayan. Thank you for coming back, Oliver Ronquillo. Ikaw, wait naman na. Siya naman ang ating pabunutin. Alright. Sorry. Oliver Ronquillo for our 15th. Correct? 15th winner. Alright. 15. 15th winner. Hi muna.
Hello.
Ayan. Ayan.
Kaya,
Grabe ang paghahalo mo, bro.
Yes, kailangan.
Ang galing ng ano mo.
Magtitingin.
Huwag tumingin.
Tumingin.
Hindi yan. Huwag ka na tumingin. Dito ka tumingin.
Abaw.
Ayan. O, bunot.
focus ka lang sa akin.
Focus ka lang doon. Alright, our 15th winner is sorry. Daniel
Ay, bro.
Kaalaman of London, United Kingdom. Alright, solicitor's name is Miss Lani Ordinario. Congratulations. Alright. Ang daming nanalo. From Miss Lani Ordinario for our 16. May
Ilan sa
winalon.
Pilipinas na
Rapol, no?
Yes. Ang ating raffle, pupuntang Dubai, pupuntang UK. Sino pa ba? Hindi lang po sa Pilipinas ito, di ba? Marami tayong sumusuporta sa ibang bansa. Miss Lani, 16th, yes.
Ako ay hilo, yung katanong sa biyol.
Ang dami mo namang hilo. Okay. Kasi naman superwoman ka. Oh, huwag ka na tumingin. Okay. 16th winner? Okay. Oh, Miss Betty Lou Zabala of Imus Cavite. Our solicitor's name is Mr. Dan Patrick Legaspi. Congratulations. All right. Our winner. 16. Now we are on 17th winner. Alright. Ikutin lang natin. Haluin lang natin. Ayan. Ikot, ikot. Okay. Haluin lang natin.
Okay.
Ayan.
Sige, ako na.
Okay, hands. 17th winner natin for 500 pesos. Okay. Oy! Mr. Reese. Alright. Reese or Rose? Cancer.
Oy, nanay ko yan!
Oh, sorry! Ay, nanay ko na
Rosemary.
Ano ba yun?
Rosemary Kronzer.
Rosemary Crancer of General P.S. Cavite. Solicitor's name is Catherine Cifra. Congratulations! Balado naman dyan!
Mapapayagan na ako ulit.
Yes! Meron pang another gathering. Alright, next naman. Miss Jasper. Ayan. Ikutin lang natin. Yes. Ano balutin mo? Yung sino naman eh. My God. Oo, diba? May mga ganong moments. This is our 17th winner. Kailan ba tayo? Sec? Pang ilan tayo? 18th winner. Alright. Our 18th winner is Jovan Dalida of San Pedro, Laguna. Our solicitor's name is Char and Harold. Congratulations po. Napakaswerte naman.
Ba talaga,
Ano na ito, diba? Galing. Okay. Yes. Alright. Our 19th winner. Alright, next, Harold. Yeah. Alright. Mr. Harold. Isang heart pa rin dyan. Yeah. Hindi ka nansilip.
Dapat nandito kasi yung heart.
Okay. Alright, haluin pa rin natin for our 19th winner. 19 na po tayo. Meron na po tayo last one. Ang prizes natin is 500 pesos. Alright. Okay. Ano ba? Alright, next. Our 19th winner is Marco Pasamba of Barangay Rizal Taguig.
Yes.
Solicitor's name is Cathy Cifra.
Yay!
Congratulations! Ang daming balato sa banda doon. Nakakaloka. Our last but not the least, kailangan natin haluin to. And again, for Miss Rhea
Yes.
Ramos. Harap mo na. Yes. Thank you for coming. You're welcome. Yan. Alright. Thanks, Queen. Ibigay mo na ang ating pinaka-last na winner. Ayan siya. Okay. Pinakita niya na. Ito na si Daniel Kalangan of London, United Kingdom pa din. Alright, solicitor's name is Lani Ordinario. Congratulations. Okay. Alright. Ito, recap natin na ating mga winners. Okay. Alright. Ako yung first 5, sa'yo yung first, next 5. Alright. First winner natin is Archie Kagula of Imus Cavite. Congratulations.
Ticket number.
Okay. Ticket number of 5077. Next is Christina Haro of Dasmariñas Cavite. 5043. Next is Charmaine Agustino of the Parañaque City. Card number 0279. Mr. Jovan Dalida
Maganyan na spot.
of San Pedro Laguna 1088.
Ayaw mo.
Ilan na yan? Alright, and next is
Baka yun ako.
Edgar Sarmiento 0862. Next is Mike Rafael de los Santos, the 0468. Next is Myrene Palucho, 0120. Next is Marlon Reyes of Imus Cavite, 0014. Crisaldi of Binakayan, 2060. And the next winners will be with Dan Patrick Legaspi.
Okay, our next winner is Mark Burnout from Imus Cavite. Card number 724. Then we have Hanelin Estareja from Imus Cavite also. Card number 1104. We have Catherine Cipra from LNC General Trias. Card number 10025. Then we have Rodney Roque from Alapan, Imus Cavite with card number 5341. Then we have Annelyn Sayas from Bayan Luma, Imus Cavite, card number 1292. Then we have Daniel Kaalaman from London, United Kingdom, card number 159. We have Betty Lou Sabala from Imus Cavite, card number 239. We have Rose Kronzer from Lancaster General Trias Cavite, card number 10011. We have Jovan Dalida from San Pedro Laguna, card number 1087. Then we have Marco Pasamba of Taguig, card number 5351. Then lastly, we have Daniel Kaalaman from London, United Kingdom, with card number 761. So, in behalf of IIB2K officers, we congratulate all the winners from our first preliminary do. So, ano pa pong iniintay natin? Come and remit na po ang ating mga tickets. No? We have our second preliminary draw this coming January 4.
Wait lang. Hold on. Chika ko muna.
So, ayan po, sayang po, no? We have to announce again to all the participants that whoever wins on our preliminary draw is still included on our second preliminary draw and to our...
First lang. One first.
So isa lang, no?
Isang prelim
So isang prelim lang. So kung mabunot po uli kayo with the same card number nyo, that will be not valid, no? But you still have a chance to our grand raffle draw, which is on January 25. But if your name will be picked on our second preliminary draw with different card number, you would still win the second preliminary draw. Okay, there are some more announcements from our VP. So take it away, Howard.
Wala na. And anyway, thank you so much for availing our tickets. This is gonna be a very, very big support for us on January 25, 2025 for our alumni homecoming. So tickets are still available. Please give us a message and we'll be greatly to sell the tickets, accommodate you, okay? So tickets are all available and see you again on January 4 for our second preliminary, right? Thank you so much. Good
Good evening, and ano pa hinihintay nyo? Tara na!
night.
Congrats! Congrats everyone!